If you ever had a Capital One account, you might be getting paid in 2026, and most folks don't even realize they qualify. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to Remote Life with Jack. So here's the situation. Capital One agreed to a $425 million settlement after being accused of not properly informing customers about higher interest savings accounts. Basically, some customers were stuck earning lower interest while better options existed, and they clearly didn't tell people. You may qualify if you had a Capital One 360 savings account between September 2019 and June 2025. Even if your account is closed, you still could be eligible. Now let's talk money. Just give me my money. This is a $425 million payout, but your amount depends on how long you had the account, how much money you kept in the account, the difference in interest rates at those times. Some people may get small checks, but others could get hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Now here's the part you need to pay attention to. For this settlement, many people will be paid automatically. You do not need to file a claim. Notices were sent out in August 2025, so recheck your emails. But if you qualify, Capital One may send you a check or direct deposit. What you should do is make sure your address is updated, choose direct deposit if available, and watch out for emails or notices. The deadline to update your information was October 2025, but no worries, I got you. If you did not have the information, I provided the link in the comments. There are still important deadlines coming up. Payment method updates will be updated March 30th, 2026, and the final approval hearing will happen April 2026. So don't ignore emails or letters about this. All right, fam. So if you ever bank with Capital One, do not skip this. Make sure you check your email, check your mail, and stay updated because this is literally free money you might already be owed. So make sure you comment money if you had Capital One and follow me because I post legit job leads and ways to get paid like this every single week. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.